Welcome to my channel Mom's Kitchen in Hindi. Today we will make Bharwa baingan masala recipe. That too in my style. So let's start. If you are new to my channel then subscribe, and if you like the video then do like it. First of all we will make the masala. To make the masala we need half a cup of roasted peanuts, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per taste, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and grind them all in a grinder. Now stuff the masala in the baingan and put it in hot oil. Add the remaining masala on top. And add a little water and cook on low flame. Bharwa baingan masala is ready. Sprinkle lemon juice and coriander leaves on top and serve. Bharwa baingan masala is ready.